You are looking at Julien's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? This word has two different pronunciations depending on its function. As a noun, the commune, okay, commune, stress on the first syllable as a noun. The commune of Paris, for example, Paris. Now, as a verb, it's normally said as commune, okay, with a stress on the second syllable. Commune as a verb, commune as a noun. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.